Hi guys, welcome to our video session. Today we're going to cover some things on support and resistance, basically explaining why support and resistance, why is it important. Well, support and resistance are the zones in the market that are very important, which pushes the market either up or down. Well, starting with support is a zone that is the market that is below the trading price at that moment. um, it's where the market has made a reversal point around that zone or in that zone, because it's a zone that it has actually created at that moment. For instance, like this one. This is a support zone, and you can see it made a reversal point here and went up. And here again, this what just happened. Here, this one is a support. It's a support zone. As you can see, the market is trading above this zone. As long as the market is trading above this zone, it's still a confirmed and valid support zone. What happens with the support and resistance is that the market goes like this, or it trends like this. It makes these zigzags, or when it comes back again, it is most likely it's going to retouch the zone, which was a support zone, and become a new resistance zone, like here. So with resistance zone, a resistance zone is a price level where the market has made a reversal point and now trading uh, below that reversal point. For instance, here this zone was a confirmed resistance zone. This was a resistance zone, as you can see, and the market started trading below this zone. Even now, it's still a valid resistance zone because the market is still trading below this zone. Now, if we can look how these zones has affected the market just recently, starting with this one, you can see what happened here. The market came from here, it went all the way down and came back, making this leg. And this leg, look what it's reversed. It reversed exactly at the point where it was once our support zone. If you look here, this was a support zone, and the market now makes a reversal point here, going down and continuing with its original direction. And same thing is happening now here. Look what is happening here. The market was having a reversal. The market was having a support zone here. The market had a support zone here, and it broke down. And when it came back, look now where it is now. It's around this zone, and now it failed to break above this zone. And this is going to be our new resistance zone if it continues and makes a new point that is below to this one. For this one to be resistant, it has to make a point. For it to be confirmed resistance zone, it has to make a new leg that is lower to this one. So once we have a new lower low, this one will be confirmed as a resistance zone. But if the market continues to push up, we'll only have a support zone here, and we'll wait for a new resistance zone. The latest resistance zone is this one until the market makes a new leg here, which is going to be lower than this one, and this is going to be our confirmed resistance zone. So now let's look at a previous. Well, in the market is controlled by the previous movements in the market. Like here, if you can look clearly here, this is something that happened some time ago. It happened. It was 2017. The market had a support zone here. In this support zone, if you can now look what happened here, it was 2018. Look here what happened. The market broke above here. From here it broke above, and when it came to retest, it retested to this zone, which was our support zone, which was our previous support zone, as the zone that was formed in 2017. So now look, even here, same thing happened. The market goes, and when it comes for retest, it retests on this zone and continues with its original trend direction. These zones are very important. If you can just see what was happening around this zone, just around the zone, just to see what was happening around the zone, you can find that it's a zone. This zone was existing some time ago, even before 2017. sorry about this. Let's see what is happening in this one. Another thing that's most interesting with being a technical trader is that before you trade, look, I've even marked it here. Look, it pushed the market down around the zone. So this is clearly telling you that this zone was once a support. When it broke above it, you must we must expect that the market is going to bounce around the zone. This is what I was saying. This is how the market moves. It goes like this, and when it breaks above this zone, when it breaks above this zone, it is most likely that it will come back around this zone for a retest before moving to its original direction. This is what is clearly happening currently. Yeah, there are many price levels that are here that are into it. You can go through it and try to find your own that you think are valid. Let's look at this one as well. Let's look at this one. Recently, the OTJPY has been failing to break above this price level at it's been failing to break above this price level at 84,553. It's been failing, and the reason for that is you can tell by this one. Without me going through what had happened in the past, just this one, the recent thing. Look here, the market made a strong support zone here. It moved away, and when it came back to break this zone, it broke. And look where it goes for retest. From here, it comes back to retest this zone, which is a strong support zone, and it moves down. It comes back again and fails to break this zone. It goes down, and it has made another attempt here, and it also went down. And look, so whenever a price is approaching this zone, it tells you that you must expect. It tells you exactly what to expect. Sorry, and this zone is not was not just formed recently. It's an old zone. It was formed around 2016, and it doesn't. You can find that maybe in 2013 there was something that was happening around this zone. You can see this one was formed a long time ago as well. It was having a resistance zone here. It was having a resistance zone. Look what happens here. It breaks this zone, it comes back for retest on this zone, and it moves up. Look where it bounces. It bounces in this zone and it goes up. This is exactly why these zones are very important. But check, it's something that happened some time ago. Something that happened some time ago. It happened here. It happened here. It's now controlling the market here. What happened here is controlling the market here, giving you a clear insight as to what the direction the market is taking at that moment. If you can check Euro odd, sorry about these lines. If you can check Euro odd, this is a 4-hour chart of Euro odd. And just by looking, what is happening here? Just by looking, we did the trend lines in our last video session. You can check it. And if you did check the trend line video, we talk about the higher high and the lower highs there. This is a lower high. Having this lower high, it tells you that the market has failed to break above this, which is telling you that since these were the highest point here, you have to expect a change in direction. But that change in direction could only be confirmed by a trend line break. And here we had a daily trend line break. So now this is clearly telling you that we are in a downtrend. And where are we having any strong support zone? This is where we're having a strong support zone. This is where we're having a strong support zone. You can see a market came back here, it's bounced on this zone, and it's moved away. So what is to expect in this zone? Now that you are downtrending, the market is now look what is happening on this zone. The market is failing to break above this zone. Does that say that we need to go right away and have a sell position? No. That is what I was explaining. As a technical trader, you put everything into detail before you make an execution. What do? You look for any obstacle that can stop a trade around this zone if you are selling. For instance, you can see that the market is struggling to break below this zone. You make a mark around this zone. You check what is stopping the market to break below this zone. Here, before I go any further, you can see here what is happening here. We are having something here. we are having something around this zone. Oh, clearly. Now look here, we have a jackpot. This was our previous resistance and is what is stopping this price from dropping. Until the market finds enough strength to break below this, then we are good to go with a sell. Same thing, if it breaks above this, it continues with an uptrend. So if it breaks above this, it continues with an uptrend. But if it breaks below this, it continues with a downtrend. So this is why the zones are important. So now you can see this thing that is ranging around these zones. So for you to consider whether it's going up or down or to consider any trade, you will have to see a break below this range. At this 1,57221, we have a strong price level there. The market has to break there. You can now go to your smaller time frames for those people who find entries in smaller time frames and see in smaller time frames. I mean, sorry, and you can see here you're having sort of a trend line here. You see, so you're having a sort of a trend line, and this is a valid trend line. It has three touches, one, two, three. So it's a valid trend line. So for you to consider a trade here, it has to break below this zone, or it has to break below this price level, and not just any break, but you have to have a daily candle closing below. You can see that all the daily candles have been closing above this zone. So a break is when you will have a daily candle closing below this zone. Because you can have false breakout. For example, this one would have been a false breakout, so we are not considering them. We have to wait for a daily close, and if a daily close below this price range, we'll consider then our break into this price level. I think as you had good information for today, we'll stop there for now. And please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more videos and check our website content for PDF books and some other cool stuff. Cheers, guys. We'll end here.